Hey guys, welcome back to Brighter Folks. Today we're taking a look at the KELIMA SQ10 dash cam. It's a very small, lightweight dash cam that costs under $15. I ordered it a couple of weeks ago. It finally came. And it can also be used as a PC camera, sort of a nanny cam. It has motion detection, so if you want to use it for surveillance or anything like that. At under $15, we'll see what the picture quality is going to be like, but it's 1080p. It also takes pictures, it says here, JPEG, what else is it? It works with most operating systems, and it has about 100 minutes of battery life. So I'm going to install this in my car and drive around and kind of see what kind of picture quality I get from the dash cam. So in the next segment you guys will see that. And if you want to learn more about this camera, I've also linked it in the description box below. There's more reviews down there, and you can see what the current price is, because I did pay under $15 for it, so sometimes the prices change. And I'll see if I can drop a coupon in there to make it a little bit cheaper for you guys too. So let's go out into the real world and take a look at the picture quality of the SQ10 KELIMA, what do they call it? Mini DV dash cam, and take a look. So hey guys, the first thing that I noticed when I got the camera out of the box was how tiny this thing was. It's a very small, compact, light dash cam slash spy cam, I guess. It's extremely small. There's not much to it. There's only a micro SD card slot, a USB slot, on-off button, and a mode button. So you can use it as a dash cam with these attachments that came with the camera, or you can use it as a life cam for vlogging or whatever you might be doing undercover. There's a little clip that you can put on your lapel, so that's pretty cool. It came with a USB charging cable, and the only thing that I was disappointed is that this looks like it's a proprietary cable, so if I lose this, I won't be able to get this camera charged up, which kind of sucks. So I'll have to be very careful not to misplace this cable. And the camera also is very tiny, so any wrong move and this thing could fall on the ground, or I could lose it. So that's another thing to keep in mind with something this small. But I really like the form factor. I think I'm going to have a lot of fun playing around with videos that I'll shoot on this camera, either be it in my car or just for vlogging to get those angles and shots that would be impossible with a bigger camera. So take a look at the quality of the video that I've shot. I've had some dash cam footage before this segment, and after this video I'm going to put up a couple more clips that I've shot with the camera in different conditions. And if you like this camera and you want to find out more, in the description box below there's a link, I should say, and there's more reviews and so forth. So pretty cool camera for under $15. I think you guys will probably get a lot of use out of something like this. It's cool. So if you like this video, don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.